There is another way to plug Claude into your GoHighLevel dashboard, not to just read data, but to actually do tasks for you. It's called the MCP method. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up step by step. And the crazy part is once you get this set up, all you have to do is type a prompt into Claude and it will do the work for you inside of GoHighLevel. Let me show you how. So first thing first, you want to have the Claude desktop app and a couple other things. So what I recommend you do is you go through this video first, see what you need, and then go back and then we'll set it up step by step because it's relatively fast. You just have to have the right stuff. So the first thing I want to do is show you how many different tools are available on this support doc through the Claude GoHighLevel integration. So there's about 36 available tools right now inside the MCP server. Okay, we can update or create a contact field. You can send a message just like this. Again, I'm just showing you some of the main ones. You can see the rest by just scrolling down. You can update opportunity details. Okay, you can create a blog post just like this. Oh, and here's another main one. You can create social media posts, and they're expanding to over 250 tools in the future. So it's pretty simplified now, but it's growing a lot. So the first thing to understand is that this code right here on the support doc is wrong. It doesn't properly work. So what you're going to need to do is install Node.js either on Windows or Mac. And this is required for the correct code to work. So we're going to download this. And once it's installed, open it up and click next because there's something else you need to do to make sure this doesn't break. Okay, so it defaults the program files, but the space is what makes it break. So we're going to go right back out a couple times. And you're just going to create a new folder. Okay, just like this. You can call it the same as the default folder, Node.js, just like that. You're then going to click OK. Then just go through the normal installation steps and I'll show you the code that is needed to correct this. Okay, so once it's installed, you can come back into Claude, the desktop application file, click Settings, open Settings, go down to Developer, down at the bottom, edit the configuration, and open Claude Desktop. And this is what it looks like. So this is really important. We want to copy this code because it's correct. The one in the article is wrong. Once you have this code, you're going to go right into your business profile. You're going to copy your location ID and we're going to paste it right where it says location ID. Once we have that, we need to go to private integrations, okay, just like this in your sub account, create a new integration just like this, okay, and we can call it whatever we want. I'm just going to call it Claude Agent, okay, then we're going to click Next. Then we're going to select the scopes. As you see, there's 142 in the article, but to be honest with this, we are just going to select all, and then I'm going to scroll down and we want to create the token, right, like that, and we're going to want to confirm and then copy this right like this. Then we're going to want to go back to this and we're going to want to copy right and paste into token just like that. Then we're going to click save. Then this is saved and then we're going to close Claude all the way by clicking file, exit, and then now we have it open. Let's see what it can do. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to prompt this with a couple simple things. So I'm just going to say, I need to catch up on my leads. How many contacts do I have in my pipeline? So we're just going to click this right here and we're going to click enter. So now you can see it's going to tell me where they are in the stage, okay, and all this other amazing stuff. So right here, Casey Morgan, this is fake contacts that I created, and it's drafting a message as you see because some of them don't have phone numbers. By the way, this is all test stuff, but you see it's created a text message, another by email, all this good stuff. So here's a summary of what it drafted. I'm just going to give them confirmation and do a bunch of other stuff. So I'm using a test account again, so it's got DND enabled because these are fake accounts, but as you see here, it can do a lot of different stuff. But we'd obviously want to disable the DND, and then what we're going to do is we are going to skip out on the rest of these tasks. So it's like I got a couple review tasks as you see here, and it's going to do them right for me. I'm just going to copy and paste this in like that, and it's going to add tags, and it's going to do all this other stuff right here, updating the tags, putting everybody in the new pipeline based on where they're at. So this Claude is an assistant that is also helping you decide what you should do with your pipeline, not just doing tasks for you, but helping you consult. So as you saw in the list of tools, we got all kinds of other stuff you can do here, but it's pretty simple, especially on a test account. It doesn't have a lot of stuff, but here's the main thing, and this is what I think you need to understand. I can keep going with all those use cases that I showed you in that other kind of list of tools. I mean, it's cool. Claude inside of GoHighLevel is very powerful, but to be honest, what is even easier without using the Claude GoHighLevel integration and plugging all this in because it is work is using their native feature, which is Ask AI, which I'm going to show you right now because it is basically better and there's no setup. It is absolutely insane, and HighLevel is always leading the charge with this. So now let me show you the other AI feature, which is Ask AI, which you can do the same shit, but it's even better. So this is the Ask AI feature I was talking about, and it's right here, and it essentially lets you talk to your CRM and have it do tasks for you, just like the Claude agent, but even better, and there's no setup. So the first thing I'm going to show you is we have this pipeline right here, okay? with 95 leads, as you see right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move all of these leads. So if we come back to opportunities, I'm going to move all of these. I'm just going to show you the power of this. We're going to just keep playing with it. I'm going to move all of these to replied. So I'm going to come right back to Ask AI. I'm going to go move all contacts in pipeline to replied stage. So we're going to enter. Boom. Look at this. It now says move all 95. I'm just going to click move all 95. Again, I just clicked one button and now I'm going to click another and let's see what it does. Boom. Look at that. It went through it. So let's come back here. Let's go to opportunities and look at that. All 95 leads have been moved like that. Now that is just one tiny example. I can come right back, right in here and say, message all the leads. I'll say message all leads by email and SMS. Boom, look at this. It's going to ask me before sending, do I want to hit both these channels? I can just say yes, yes, and it will literally message all of those people. That is how powerful this is. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, we can do all kinds of stuff in high level. We can create products. We can create pipelines. We can remove people. We can add people with calendars. I mean, sending an entire month's worth of social media post schedule. And I'm actually going to be linking that video at the end of this video so you can see all of the things this can do because I'm just giving you tiny use cases. It can do way more than Claude. And that's why I'm going to be linking that video at the end because some of the stuff you're about to see is insane. Like no joke, there is nothing I have seen that is this powerful. It's insane. Like it really is like the future of high level. We can just ask AI, talk to the CRM, and it will do tasks for us. So again, I love Claude. I love it mixing with high level. I showed you how to do the MCP server stuff, but in reality, we can do something that's even simpler without a setup, but just ask AI and it can honestly do more and it's only going to keep getting better. So make sure you're going to watch that video because it pops up at the end of this one. But if you have any questions on any of this stuff, just drop it down below and I will answer personally. So that's essentially the MCP side of things and the Ask AI side of things. Between these two, you can absolutely crush it. But more importantly, you need to learn how to sell Go High Level and really master it because that's what's going to help you actually make money. Now, if you are interested and you want to learn more from me and everyone else, there is a 30-day free trial link right down below. And when you sign up with that, not only do you get an exclusive 30-day free trial of Go High Level, you actually get all $15,000 worth of my bonuses for free. So when you sign up with that link, you get all of this. So I'm talking a private community full of winners, as you see here, all of my training modules, all of my systems, all of my pre-built out AI agents, everything. Then most importantly, you get access to my entire calendar full of live coaching calls. I'm talking calls with me where I can talk to you, calls with all my other coaches. Again, we got help getting clients, how to get clients advanced, learning Go High Level, mastering Go High Level, setting up high level systems. Guys, these are real coaches selling Go High Level and mastering it. And you get access to all of this for free. It is the ultimate hand-holding experience. So whether you're a beginner and you're lost and you're just trying to potentially make some money online, we have you covered. Or if you're advanced and you want to scale your agency in however which way, we have you covered. And again, we go over in-depth AI strategies and more importantly, in-depth strategies on how to find clients. So all of this, guys, everything I'm showing you in this community, the trainings, the community, the calls, all free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial down below, or you can upgrade. But if you already have high level and you're already fully upgraded, there is another link you can click, which is going to show you how to get access. Again, if you have any questions about any of this, drop in the comments down below and I will answer personally. So thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a comment down below if you're interested. Smash that link down below, see what we got on it, because I think you're really going to love it. Try it risk-free. But most importantly, watch the video that pops up here in 2 seconds, because it is going to be showing you in depth about Ask AI. I'm telling you right now, when you see what this thing can do, like actually, not just like, oh, the little bits, like how it does social media, all these other things, you are going to be blown away. No joke, it is absolutely insane. So thanks again for watching, and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.